Why does my clutch release so high or engage so high? Welcome to Mercie J, where compassion and craftsmanship come together. I'm Rick Smith. So a clutch works kind of the opposite of brakes. So on brakes, we have a rotor that's spinning, and then we compress that rotor with a brake pad on each side to slow the car down. Well, a clutch, instead of having two sets of pads, we have one pad, which is called the clutch disc, and it gets sandwiched between the flywheel, which is on the back of the engine, and a pressure plate, which is also on the back of the engine. And so when those two compress against the disc, which is the friction material like brake pads, then we spin the transmission and we motivate down the road. Now, as the clutch wears, it's not self-adjusting like our brakes are. So our brakes, regardless of how worn they get, the pedal's about in the same spot. But as the clutch wears, the release or application becomes higher on that pedal travel. That's assuming everything's adjusted and working normally. So if you're getting real close to the top and you're not slipping yet, you're probably not too far off on it because your clutch is worn more. I hope this has been informational to you. Until next time, safe travels and blessings to you.